right, it's another lovely day, and you're right here tuned to Procyon Radio and Television. It's time for Make Them Talk. Make Them Talk na program where we say we dey look at things where they happen for area, the news where we say they rain for area, where they bring them come, and with analysts we dey analyze and delineate them so that make countrymen fit understand wetin we dey talk about. My name na Ehis Agbon. And like una know on the program, I get my analysts wey together we dey always analyze this thing so that make countrymen fit understand all of this thing. The person when I get for studio all of the time na Mazi, Uche na Ijegalu. Mazi, welcome to Make Them Talk today.
I greet una good morning.
All right, now don't hear Mazi don't greet una, and myself I don't throw away greeting given her this morning. Now, the program where we say we open up our phone lines and we also make available our social media portals so that make una fit chook una mouth put for the talk. The program they come up by 9 o'clock every morning and we repeat them by 9 o'clock in the night. Una go watch them for Procyon Television, una go hear them for Procyon Radio. For those where we say they want to know how they will feel easily watch and listen to the program, una just go download the Procyon Radio and TV app. Una go find the app for Google Play Store. Once una download and put for on phone, to listen to us or to watch us, but they very easy for una because na one button I'll just press. Once una press the button for the app, it go open. Una go see radio, una go see television. Then una go take una hand. Choose the one where we say una go like choose by una self so that make everybody fit they understand wetin they happen. Okay, let's all see the things we say we'll talk today. But first, I will let una know how una take call us and how una go fit take also make una own contribution for the program. To call us, the number na 0809 799 1989 and the second number na 0809 4646 206. And they talk all this one because of those who they hear us for radio. But those who they watch us for Procyon Television, when I don't see them on our screen as we write them, 0809 799 1989 and 0809 4646 206. And for those people who be on social media, then one follow us here. Make una go at Procyon RTV. At Procyon RTV for radio people, Procyon RTV na Procyon RTV. Television people na say we write them for the screen and na they read them. And if you find us for YouTube, we dey for Facebook, we dey Instagram, we dey TikTok, we dey LinkedIn. We also dey for Thread and Twitter. All of this one. Now the social media handles we say popular, we dey for all of them. At Procyon RTV, na him be the place where una go find us. But we now go straight to the look at the kaya where we say we go look at for today. Now not say for the program. Normally, we dey always start by going to Truth Nigeria. Truth Nigeria na media website where we say their own na to help countrymen discover the truth about Nigeria. To help countrymen discover the truth about Nigeria. Now be their own, now be their work, now be the one where they concentrate on, say, be the two one they could do. On the program today for Truth Nigeria, their website, plenty to food here. The one where they call landing page, that's the place where we open once now, go truthnigeria.com. The major story where they're there now. Bloody Sunday in Kajuru as Fulani militia massacre villagers, loot food stuff. That one not be sweet news at all. And the thing they ongoing. Also for truthnigeria.com, and I go say Katsina State Governor claims 70% drop in bandit attack. They talk say bandit attack don't reduce by 70%. Another story where we say they the homepage of Truth Nigeria. Now, gunmen kidnap Catholic priest in Anambra State. This one will be today news. The news will be front page for Truth Nigeria. And also Leah Sharibu's story still there. Leah Sharibu's nightmare, 6 years in the making. If now can scroll down, enter the website of Truth Nigeria, now go see other things, which include Boko Haram grabs land of 10,000 Christians in Chibok since 2021. What kind of story be that? When I go through Nigeria.com, I'll see the details. Also, now see story in respect of Kaduna police SWAT attack take out bandits in Kuriga. I remember Kuriga, another place where we say some bandits, bad people, they kidnap people, children, some time ago. Also for the homepage of Truth Nigeria, we get the story where they say Central Bank scraps cybersecurity levy after public outcry. That story too, that story we say last week, the thing rain well and people shout and talk. Thank God say they don't reason them and they don't scrap them. And other stories will remain there for truthnigeria.com. Now stories where we say I would like to read. All I need to do now go on a computer, on a device, just search for truthnigeria.com. Once I read there, I will see all of these stories. Make una not forget, Truth Nigeria, they say their own now to help you discover the truth about Nigeria. Okay, from that one, maybe we can look at other things and other details where we say countrymen need to know. And we'll just go straight to the look them one by one, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. We'll start to the first one. As they take each one today, Mazi, I want each one we take, we'll quickly analyze them before we move go to the next one, so that countrymen will understand the story. All right, the first story we open at this bloody Sunday in Kajuru as Fulani militia massacre villagers, loot food stuff. As Truth Nigeria carry and come, and one of the Ogbonge writer, Stephen Kefas, now he report this report, and the report talks say Kajuru County in Nigeria's Kaduna State has once again been plunged into mourning after suspected Fulani ethnic militia terrorists launched a deadly attack on Libere Geri village on Sunday, May 19. The brutal assault, which began at around 4:30 p.m. local time, left 6 innocent civilians died and inflicted immeasurable trauma on the farming community. Libere, with a predominantly Christian population of about 10,000 people, is situated 50 miles from Kaduna, the state capital. All victims of the Sunday attacks are Christian farmers and members of the Adara tribe, which has suffered intense persecution from Fulani radicalized terrorists since 2019. Eyewitnesses told Truth Nigeria. And on hearing the news, Mr. George Saw, founder of US-based Equipping the Persecuted, a humanitarian organization, humanitarian NGO, as well as Truth Nigeria, pledged to send a $2,000 shipment of medical and nutritional aid to the victims. And they quote, when they quote here, this is an initial response and we will seek to ensure other aid from American donors, Saul told Truth Nigeria editorial staff. Eyewitnesses described the harrowing scene of as over 50 heavily armed terrorists surrounded the village and opened fire indiscriminately, sending panicked residents fleeing for their lives. If we say roll down and check the news, we will see in addition to the tragic loss of life, the terrorists burnt 25 motorcycles and looted food supplies from village bands, depriving the impoverished residents of vital sustenance and transportation. A local vigilante officer, Samuel, theorized that the raiders sought to replenish food stock for themselves and potentially to feed kidnapping victims held in their camp. You don't hear this one, and Mazi, how you see this? First of all, how it sound for your ear?
Kai, this one, it break my bones. It break my bones. Now to kidnap person, now to go kidnap food again, go to feed the kidnap people. It break my bones seriously. As a matter of fact, this thing, Kaduna governor, Senator Basani, I believe so you know about this one. Since 2019, these people don't they suffer. Person go gather farm, mosquito go bite them, him go pass through rain, pass through sun, pass through hardship. Food where him and family go chop or where he go sell to other farmers or other people to get small money, they train children for school. Some boys will just come up from nowhere, carry gun, scatter them. You know sweet too. Truly in a black Sunday be, you know sweet. Anybody will say sweet, you know sweet. But the only thing you want to talk, say, we get security personnel. Are they telling us that these people are not overpower Nigerian army or Nigerian police? Now in fact, you know, sweet. I don't even, in short, I don't even know what to talk. But please, I dey beg governor. Governor, I know say you don't dey do well. Since where you come, you do your thing diplomatically. I know say this one, you know, go just leave am. Please do something.
So the governor of Kaduna State, you don't hear do something, and to other people I beg, we can say how now make life easy. But especially I would like to thank the founder of
it's true, sir.
the persecuted
yes.
and Truth Nigeria, Mr. George. So for this one, when you talk, say I go provide $2,000 worth of shipment of medical and nutritional aid. That one be say medical things and food. To the people where this thing affect within the coming days, and see how now they help them make sure so that they come back to their life, their normal life as fast as they possibly can. We thank you. I mean, don't forget, say even this program, Truth Nigeria, they among those who they support the program. Now that's why we bring them to now. We can hear waiting with the talk. All right, from that one we enter the next story, and this one now story we get to do with this Fubara and Wike. They are an agree where they happen between Fubara and Wike. Ex-President Jonathan wades into Fubara Wike feud. This story now for PM News now we carry on, and let me see details of the story. Former President Goodluck Jonathan has called on the Rivers State Governor Siminaye Fubara and his predecessor and Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, to end their political rift for the growth and development of the state. Jonathan called for ceasefire while speaking at the flag off of Trans-Kalabari Road, worth about 225 billion naira. He said destabilizing rivers would negatively affect the Niger Delta region and would also have a spiral effect on the country, insisting that rivers remain critical to Nigeria. The former president, I don't choke my pull for this talk and talk about this thing. And one thing we say, when people they look this Fubara and Wike, they are kata. People they say Wike self own too much. Some will say Fubara own too much. But make we not forget, say Fubara na product of godfatherism. And a popular saying we say, make person no buy finger we feed them. Well, for politics, maybe not a different way than they arrange their thing. But Mazi, how you see this kata between Fubara and what it be name?
Nyesom Wike.
And Nyesom Wike. And this one, what Jonathan don't shoot about food.
Okay, my country people they hear me. You see, this thing something we be say you don't dey on for a very long time. But first and foremost, I will thank our ex-president, the peace ambassador himself. I don't say he go like to bring peace, but like we don't hear him. Fubara, Wike. Everybody go say Wike this, Wike that, but more check am properly now. Just like okra now, you can't plant okra. You feel say you go come top pass the okra, we plant you, or the okra we plant, you can't top pass you, we plant them. Like you talk, if you're a product of fatherism, you expect to be loyal 100%.
That's so.
Because if you know the lawyer, you know work now. Because you know, say, ordinarily without that fatherism, you know go come that year. You can't come on the dance, another dance. Now, what you bargain in IDC now?
Yes.
If Nigerians they go, they do free and fair election, you just go, forget safe, godfather, just go buy from contest. If you win, you win. But because your father dey on top chair, you won't follow, now we dey there, you can't come out, can't win. The person will give you pass. You can expect another pass back for me if he score now, abi?
That's so.
So what's with that one now? I bet our ex-president, I thank you for your good job. But Fubara, I call you again, Governor Fubara. If you know, say, you get wetin you and Wike don plan, wey we no dey, go for filler.
Straight away.
Go for filler. We no be children again for this country. When I go come, they carry us, they play 10-10. Now go carry us go this way, carry us go that way. Tomorrow headlines go full. we dey think say hunger dey country but e bring another thing wey we no understand. See, if you are a product of fatherism, be loyal to your godfather.
Kawaii. All right, from that one we'll move to the next one, and this time again the story now from Champions newspaper. Now we carry and come for Make Dem Talk today, and the headline they say Murik to Minister Uju get justice for molested nurse. Now the headline of the story be that. And maybe we look the body of the story and say waiting be the major domodo with the inside. A civil liberty group, the Muslim Right Concern, Murik, has called on Minister for Women Affairs Uju Kennedy Ohaneye to fight for a nurse who was severely beaten for daring to come out during Masquerade Festival. The group argued that the nurse, not the 100 orphan girls in Mina, needed the minister's urgent intervention. Murik's call was contained in a statement circulated yesterday by its executive director, Professor Ishak Akintola. He said further, Murik is in possession of a video clip in which a nurse in her white uniform who was being driven to work by a motorcyclist was beaten to a pulp by Masquerade. The nurse, writhing in pain, ended up inside a dirty gutter. The only crime committed by the nurse was that she dared to come out during the Masquerade Festival. And we're still quoting from the press statement, we strongly condemn the action of the Masquerade. It is wicked, inhuman, and barbaric. This is violence against women taken too far. And interesting part of, I just a jump now. Interestingly, those who do this against women are fully aware of its illegality, but they still do it. It is impunity of the highest order. Unfortunately, law enforcement agencies who should stop them and protect women have become complicit, and these atrocities are committed under their noses. And I talk say in particular, we need her now to get justice for the unknown nurse who was brutally handled by Masquerade. It is interesting that the incident occurred in Nsukka, the same city where the minister obtained her first degree in law. She will therefore find it easy to trace both the victim and the traders. On the contrary, we do not need her to stop Muslim wedding in the north, whether mass or single. The myth of an uncivilized and uneducated north exists only in the figment of imagination of Muslim haters. Our Islamic scholars and imam know when to allow or disallow an Islamic wedding. They need no official from Abuja to break down their neck. Mr. Uju should get down to real business, get justice for the molested nurse, and stop chasing shadows in Mina. Turn your satellites to the south once in a while. Stop Oro worshippers and Masquerade from oppressing women down south. Now this one be the major thing. Mazi shook mouth boots.
This one dey laughable. E dey laughable seriously, because people wey I think say they be elders, we supposed to dey bring everybody together. Anything wey happen, they will come carry religion put inside. Wetin concern say na person do something, you no clap for am, you no mock am, you no laugh am. Wetin this woman for do wey you go happy? Oga Murik, I beg you. This woman do it. Okay, go check the likes and dislike on Facebook of her action. Go check am the likes and dislike all over the whole world. Now you don't talk say na Muslim haters. Who tell you say are you more Muslim than another person? And the truth now, the truth be say this woman have stopped a movement marrying out young ladies wey get future, wey dey suppose help. Even them go come become captain of industry tomorrow, help other people make them grow. They won't kind of go give them how they sell kuli, where they sell, they will end their life like that. Instead of you to recommend the woman for her both step, you talk of the girl when they beat from Suka. Who tell you say they never do something about the Suka? Did you find out what must she be the one? You because now be minister of women affairs. You know that local things you don't do about that. It is wrong to molest a woman. Yes, 100% wrong. Even a man, it is wrong to molest anybody. But the truth is that if somebody do something, make we applaud them. Make we no dey attach religion to anything wey dey happen for this country. By the time we stop am, by the time we stop attaching religion, person cough religion, person laugh religion, person blink eye religion. Why? Are we more holier than the God himself? So please, I don't understand all this kind of thing. Madam Minister, I hail you. But Oga, I beg. That one, to me, I don't think so. Follow.
All right. The program now make them talk, and they can reach you now for Procyon radio and television. And with a look at things we say they range for inside the news and to see how what they bring and can make countrymen understand these issues. The next story and last story one we'll look now. Now, bandits in uniform abduct 20 in Abuja. For those who don't know, Abuja na him be the seat of government for Nigeria. Abuja na him supposed to be the most protected town for Nigeria. Abuja na him supposed to be the place where we say they talk of civilization, na him civilized past. But this one way, bandit, they wear military uniform, can't catch people for Abuja, not be bad, not be good thing at all. Government in military uniform, numbering about 50, have raided Dawaki community in Abuja and abducted at least 20 people. Daily Trust now we can carry out this story today, and witness said it was yet another daring onslaught by the attackers, who they viciously describe as bandits, armed robbers, terrorists, among other names. Dawaki, a heavily populated neighborhood where thousands of workers in the Federal Capital Territory live, is located opposite Gwarimpa Estate, the biggest organized single settlement in Nigeria, located along the Abuja-Kuba Expressway. It was learned that the invaders, armed with different categories of weapons, stormed Dawaki around 7:30 p.m. on Sunday and operated until around 8:30 p.m. People wear uniform, soldier uniform, because against Abuja, they catch people, they kidnap them. Mazi, chook mouth for this one.
Truly, this one also break my bone. But the question be say, how did they get this uniform? This one no be Boy Scout uniform, na Nigeria Army uniform. Kai. Our army, our Nigerian army, now when you hear, you will melt. You hear their name alone, you melt. But people, they go carry their uniform, do this kind of thing. Kai. The authorities, Abeguna, this thing no sweet me at all. If you get uniform, what they go carry, you go say, Nigerian army. I beg. People wey dey in charge. Senator Tinubu, our president. You know what dey happen? Abuja. Person wey throw stone wey pass one door, if you reach the second door. Una think say now happen for Dawaki. If you enter Kubwa, if you enter Gwarimpa, if you ever enter anywhere, na true be that. Before you could dey fall, they keep you wey pothole dey. The day wey kill minister pikin, that day they go repair am. Why? Abeguna, this one no fit us. The one dey pay me pass our military uniform they carry put for body. That uniform, if I tell you, if I see military man, even the lowest rank military man, if he pass and he stand, I dey give am chance make he pass. Because me and he no be mates. Death and sleep no resemble at all. This one no sweet. E no sweet me at all. Our president, our senators, our governors, our House of Rep members, no be to the way other students things dey happen. No. Nobody dey talk say they marry out students. This one now, even to sit down for your house to get the man to talk am, they go come carry you. If you no comot this hand of monkey inside soup, now very soon you go turn person hand.
And we pray make no turn person hand, because say we believe say our government people know wetin dey happen and they suppose take the necessary action to ensure say we resolve all these issues wey dey happen for Nigeria. Una don hear the issues. We don open the phone lines. If na calls coming now, we will take am. But meanwhile, make una go our social media handle for the different social media platform. We dey for YouTube at Procyon RTV, na be our name. We dey for Facebook at Procyon RTV, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Thread, and Twitter at Procyon RTV, na be our name. Make una drop in our comments and observations so that if we don't read that for the program today, on the next edition of the program, we'll come read all these on our comments and observation. Before we go on the program today, we want to thank Truth Nigeria for the support when they support this program, and also to thank all the people who say they part of the production team, right from Dominic Emmanuel, Nifemi Onibiyo, and also Sarah Agbon. I want to appreciate my analyst, Mazi, Uche na Ijegalu. Now him be our regular analyst for the program. Mazi.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
And my name is Ehis Agbon. Tomorrow, same time, that's 9 o'clock in the morning. Now we go run and then we go repeat time for 9 o'clock in the night, right here for Procyon, radio, and television. And like always, we go say make una they shine like the star where una be. Una bye bye yo.
Say you want know the truth about Nigeria? Now for Truth to Nigeria, you go find them. Your ogbonge correct authentic news where they dilucate the matter proper. Oh yeah, check truthnigeria.com for the true story where matter from government go enter international politics. Discover the truth behind the headlines. Truth to Nigeria. Now where the fact they jam body with clarity. Oh yeah, discover the truth about Nigeria today. Just visit truthnigeria.com now.